Hey guys, David here. Just showing you today how you can turn a simple grader blade into a poor man's six-way. So, if it's in the centre here, obviously you've only got up and down, a bit more herbs, and it runs parallel to the ground. But if you bring it up and then you tilt it, you can see the bottom side dips. So now we got there. So if we want to go a bit more, and we really want to dig in, we can. So just have a look at how I use those angles to get into the corners of these drains here. So just bring it down to the ground and adjust my tilt forwards and up till I get the amount of camber that I want on the inside of the drain there, which is about there. Just do a little test. Now you can drop it down a little bit depending on how much ground pressure you want. In this instance we're pretty clean actually, so we might just lower that a little. A little bit too much. Now you can see we're getting in nice and clean into the corner of that drain. And so there you have it. A nice cleaned out drain. By utilising the various angles and pitches on the grader blade, you can get right in there and clean out right in the corners. You're not flattening out your drains at all. Now later on it's a little bit wet, but later on if it dries out or it stops raining, I'll run the levelling bar centre of that. Thanks guys, have a good day.